Hello guys, welcome back to Sarah's Table. Today we're gonna make tofu soyaki. So this is another dish that vegetarians will surely love. So I'm using a firm tofu. But first, where did tofu originate? Do you know? Well, I don't know either. So we will find out soon. So there it is, tofu originated in China. Now we know. Aren't those facts cool? So you're gonna cut your tofu into cubes, but sorry about that, it's uneven, but that's okay. And then you're gonna fry the tofu in really hot oil. So fry it evenly until it's golden brown. Just be careful with the oil splatter because you know tofu has some water in it, and yeah, you don't want to burn yourself. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like and come visit me again. I'm sure you will enjoy all my videos. So you need to brown all sides of the tofu. Just have to flip it and turn it. And now we're gonna cut some onions. I use about half of an onion. Just cut them in quarters or even smaller. I know some people who don't like onions. If you don't eat onions, you can just add extra green onions. I know it's almost the same family. I mean, it's the same practically, but it might be a milder taste. So just add some extra. And then cut some bell peppers. Probably the same size as the onions. If you don't have bell peppers or if it's not available in your area, you can always use green bell pepper, or you can use both, red and green, or you can even add yellow bell peppers. Next, you're gonna cut some mushrooms. So mushrooms is a staple in my refrigerator. So whenever I go get some groceries and some produce, I always get mushrooms because they're very versatile. You can replace your meat with mushrooms, and you can just add it to anything, even to your scrambled eggs. You can make veggie scramble with mushrooms and just add extra spinach or onions and bell peppers too. So cut the mushrooms in quarters. So you want your veggies to have the same size as your tofu, so that when you cook it later on, it will cook evenly. So for more recipes, always come back to my channel, and I'm sure you will enjoy all the easy meals and easy dishes and desserts and pastries that I have in my channel. So come back and check them out. Next, you're gonna cut the green onions to about an inch. I love green onions. I can put it in anything. I always add green onions to my scrambled eggs and to anything that I stir fry, or like I guess to almost anything because I also have a plant in my garden. So this is our special sauce that we're gonna use for this dish. It's island soyaki. So this sauce is available at Trader Joe's, but if you don't have Trader Joe's, around in your area, or if you're out of the country, then I have a recipe for the soyaki sauce. Just check the description of this video below and you will find it. Now on a hot pan with some oil, you're gonna stir fry your veggies, the onions and the pepper. Cook them for about probably a minute or two or less. And then shake, shake, shake. Then add your mushrooms. And again, stir fry. So if you haven't liked or subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would really appreciate it. And then season it with salt and pepper. So I only put a little bit because our sauce will give all the flavor. And then I also add chili pepper flakes. So this is optional. If you don't like it to be spicy, you don't have to add chili pepper flakes. And then the star of the dish, we're gonna add our tofu in. And then just continue on stir frying it. Mix it. Keep mixing. Just keep mixing it. Okay, once it's ready, we're gonna add our soyaki sauce. So you're gonna add about half a cup. So this depends on you. If you want your dish to be saucy and you want a lot of, sauce to put on your rice, then you can add more. Now our dish is ready. So you're gonna add your green onions and then mix it a little bit, cook it a little bit, and it's ready. So this is very easy. Anyone can make this dish, and it tastes great too. Now it's done. So add some sesame seeds on top of this dish and it's ready to serve. I hope you like this video and see you again at Sarah's table. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.